From Kyocera comes technology defined by ultimate precision and reliability. Printing technology is essential to every aspect of our daily lives. At the heart of this lies Kyocera's mastery of heat, our thermal printhead technology. This is a precision printhead featuring a linear array of heaters thinner than a human hair, mere tens of microns wide. By activating individual heater elements for just 1/10,000th of a second, we generate text and images with supreme speed and accuracy. Our precise thermal control enables 3 distinct printing methods. Direct thermal printing. By applying heat directly to chemically treated paper, color is generated without ink. Its simple structure makes it ideal for receipts and logistics labels. Thermal transfer printing. Heat melts ink to transfer it onto paper. This method offers high durability and crisp printing for critical transfer applications like food packaging and industrial labels. Dye diffusion thermal transfer printing. Here, ink is instantly turned into gas to permeate the receiving material itself. This allows for smooth, vibrant gradation, perfect for photo printing and ID cards. Kyocera is the world's leading innovator in all these applications and holds the top market share. We have achieved ultra-high print speed, high resolution, and high durability. With a versatile lineup and strong customization capabilities, we can meet wide-ranging customers' needs. With over 40 years of development experience, advanced production facilities, and rigorous quality control, Kyocera delivers consistent, high-quality products to the world. Moreover, Kyocera is driving the future of printing. From technologies that deliver information to technologies that create new value. Today, that potential moves beyond the boundaries of printing. Building on our achievements across every field of society, from the expansion of logistics and factory automation to ensuring food safety and medical reliability, we turn this success into the driving force for our next transformation. Through the power of thermal technology, Kyocera will continue to shape and support the industries of tomorrow.